Oh, it's carrying the bucket.
I'm not getting it.
There's an airplane somewhere right there, I think. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it went through the trees. But it's right there. It's right there.
There's a big forest fire.
There's a really big forest fire in Depot Bay or around Sleds or something. It's right there. Don't you see it's about ready to land?
Yeah, it's
Yep,
gonna go.
It's gonna.
It's gonna scoop up water from the river that's down there. It's gonna go scoop up fire for the forest fire here in Depot Bay.